So if your computer suddenly stops powering on, don't assume that it's garbage and throw it away. Don't have a heart attack and think that all of your data is lost. It could simply mean that the power supply is bad. And luckily, the power supply is a very inexpensive and very easy part to replace. How easy is it to actually put one of these in? It's so easy, well, even an 8-year-old can do it.
Don't let the installation intimidate you. It's really easy. Let's take a look. It's really that easy. You want to know more? Just ask the guys.
Well, maybe a really smart 8-year-old.